Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay. I have got the latest Lookfantastic limited edition beauty box, and it is the Derma Skin Edit. This was released a couple of days ago and it's still available on their website. It costs £45. It has a value of over £150. It contains 9 items, 3 of which are full size. If you're interested in purchasing one for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description. And down there you'll see my Lookfantastic discount code, which can't be used against this box, but can be used site-wide for other beauty products. That is Diary LF, and that will entitle you up to 20% off. Plus, they've got a lot of sales on their website at the moment, so whenever you see discounted products, if you were to use my code, you might be able to get up to like 6% more off. If you do use my code, well, thank you very much, because it does help me do videos like this for you. This is actually gifted to me. Normally I buy my own Lookfantastic beauty boxes, but they reached out asking if I'd be interested in receiving it. Here we go. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Give you a sneak peek. We've got Medicae, and this is a really lovely toner. This is so lovely. This is a Press and Glow Daily Exfoliating PHA Tonic with Enzyme Activator, 200 mils. A polyhydroxy acid toner for high performance daily exfoliation but without the irritation commonly associated with acid toners. It's non-sticky, non-drying, suitable for daily use because of its hydrating properties. Yeah, it's a really nice one, especially because you can use it as well if you use like vitamin A. So that's a good one. But Heliocare 360 by Cantabria Labs. This is gel oil-free sunscreen protector, dry touch, UVA, UVB, SPF 50. I don't know if I've tried anything from this brand before. Where is it from? It's from Spain. High photoimmune protection with a unique oil-free dry touch texture. Its unique combination of advanced filters and exclusive ingredients provides broad spectrum protection against UVA, UVB, visible light and IRA. Let's see what that's like on my skin then. Ooh, I wasn't expecting it to be tinted. Maybe it'll give like a nice glow. Oh, it does. It does leave a tint. It doesn't say tinted on the... Look at the difference. It doesn't say tinted on the tube though. Ooh, I love a tinted one. Yeah, that looks nice. Have to smell it. I don't think it smells much, no. Sunscreen Protector Solar Dry Touch. Okay, no, I like that. I do like that. A little bit of a tinted SPF there. Then we got Cicalfate Plus by Avène. Restorative protective cream. Soothes and protects delicate, sensitive skin. Helps to replenish the skin's moisture barrier. And there is 40 mils there. Avène do some really lovely products. Helps to support the skin's restoration. Patented, innovated C-Restore. Soothes feeling of skin discomfort, very rich in Avène thermal spring water. A combination of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate helps to maintain healthy looking skin. Its creamy texture spreads on easily and creates a protective film that facilitates quality replenishment, and it's fragrance free. Let's try it then. Just a little bit there. Oh, it's a thick one. Oh, yeah. It's for infants, children, adults, for face, body, and external intimate areas. It does feel nice. Maybe if you have like a waxing rash or something. Anyway, is that. Oh, we got Bioeffect, a gorgeous, very expensive Icelandic skincare brand. This is a sheet mask, imprinting hydrogel mask, hydrating face mask with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, the serum is absolutely beautiful. Whenever we see it in beauty boxes, we go mad about it, don't we? Because it's like worth over £100. It is really nice. I've always wanted to go in the shop. I've walked past it twice. I've been to Iceland twice. And I've never gone inside. My son has been with me, or the shop was closed, or for whatever reason in Reykjavik. So I haven't been yet, but I'd love to. So it's a really nice mask for like deep hydration. So it's a good one. And then we've got a cleanser. This is by First Aid Beauty, Pure Skin Face Cleanser, safe for sensitive skins. And it's 56.7 mils there. grams. Removes makeup dirt and impurities, leaves skin feeling clean, not tight or dry. Then we got Bioderma. This is Sensibio or Sensibio. H2O, the original micellar water for sensitive skin. And there's 100 mils there. Micellar water is so handy. I did wings, as you can tell today. Oh, micellar water sorts it out because I'm not very good anymore. My eyelids are drooping the older I'm getting. The skin is a bit crinkly. So yeah, I'm finding it more difficult to create wings that are even each side. But yeah, a little bit of micellar water on a cotton bud and it's gone. That's a nice handy size actually to put by the side of the bed. So I'll do that. Oh, we've got another First Aid Beauty, and this is Bumper Razor, KP Bumper Razor Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin, 28.3 grams there. This is a really good body scrub if you've got that skin condition that has lumps on the top of your arms. Sometimes you get it on your face and on your legs. My children have it, and I'll be giving this to my daughter because she says it's really good and it does help. Then we've got MZ Skin. This is Radiance and Renewal AHA Instant Clarity Refining Mask, and there's 20 mils here. Now, I've only ever tried the face masks, I think. Anyway, I don't think I've tried anything else. By Dr. Maram Zamani, a radiance boosting face mask with alpha hydroxy acid complex for luminous, fresh looking skin. 4 powerful actives: dissolve dead skin, diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and pores, reverse visible pigmentation, and impart a healthy glow. So you got a face mask there. And then lastly, we've got La Roche-Posay, and this is Hyalu B5 Serum, anti-wrinkle, concentrate, repairing, replumping serum, and there is 10 mils there. I was recently sent one by La Roche-Posay in a PR mailer, which I was very grateful for. I love loads of their products, their SPFs, their body creams. Oh, I love them. Got a little mini serum there, and those are all the items in the Derm Skin Edit. To recap, we've got a sheet mask, we've got a body scrub, Press and Glow Tonic, SPF 50 tinted, all glowy. Got a restorative protective cream for everywhere. Got a facial cleanser. We've got a refining mask for your face, a micellar water, and Hyaluron B5 serum there. The cost of the box is £45 and it has a value of £150. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to get it? Or are you thinking, you're not too sure? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.